Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna share or talk about first few stages how to start the plant in detail. So, we are growing mint today. You can use grocery bought mint that are stored in a fridge or outside. I'm going to use some healthy looking stems. 7 to 8 stems are enough. So I'm using some healthy looking stems. Now I make a cut at a node of each stem. When I say node, it means the point where leaves are growing. From this point where we make a cut, roots will be growing because it promotes secretion of growth hormones. Cutting all the stems from their nodes. Now it's done. It is good to do about 3 to 3.5 inch away from the top of the stem. If the stem is too long, then the top part of the stem will be fall down and it might not work. I'm also going to remove extra leaves. The top 4 to 5 leaves are enough to sustain the stem for some time. We remove all the leaves because we don't want that much of leaves on that. We already taken some healthy stems. I hope it will do well. It is almost done. we just place them in water. For all such propagation, I like to use tap water, which is a regular water. I'm growing them in a transparent glass. You can also use steel glass or as well as mug. Now it's done. We place this in a spot that does not get direct sun. And if you want to encourage me make more videos, I would really like you guys to go and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.